How to change Fabic icon or site icon in your WordPress website. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to change or how to add a Fabic icon or site icon in your WordPress website. So first of all, we have to log in our WordPress admin dashboard. So look at that, this is the WordPress admin dashboard that I have logged in before. Now we have to go the appearance in the left side. So look at that, here is appearance, and in the appearance, under the appearance we have to go the customize. So click on customize, and it's loading. And look at that, here is another option in the left side, site identity. So click on site identity, and then look at that, here is select logo. Okay, and this is the logo, but in this video I'm going to share with you how to add a site icon. So look at that, here is site icon, and here is on option is select site icon. So click on select site icon, and then this is the gallery section. So I would love to upload a Fabic icon or site icon. So upload files and select files, and this is the file I want to upload. This is the file I would love to upload. So click on this file and open it, and look at that, this file is uploading already. This file uploaded. So select the file and then select. Now here is I would love to resize this icon, so something smaller, and look at that, this is the perfect size. Okay, so crop image, click on crop image, and look at that, it already uploaded. Okay, so if I'm going to click on the publish and then go to the main site, and if I'm going to refresh the site, and look at that, the Fabic icon already added. So this is the simple thing actually. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.